Welcome to the session of National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test for Undergraduates. In this video, we are going to see what is NEET, how NEET came from, what is NEET replaced with, who will conduct the NEET, who is the NEET developed and administrated by, what are all the skill set tested by NEET, what is question pattern of NEET examination, what are the languages available for NEET examination, and what is the examination type, that is either pen or by paper, and what will be the total application will be received by NEET examination, and what are all the seat available for medical and BDS, and what is the competition level for NEET examination to get selected in colleges. So let's get start the video. NEET undergraduates is a national eligibility cum entrance test for undergraduates, and it should be not confused with national eligibility cum entrance test postgraduate, that is NEET undergraduate and NEET postgraduate. They both are different. And prior to national eligibility cum entrance test was known as All India Pre-Medical Test, that is AIPMT. Hence now the NEET is formerly known as All India Pre-Medical Test. Now the NEET and All India Pre-Medical Test, they both are same. After the enactment of NMC Act 2019 in September 2019, NEET undergraduate become common all India entrance test for admissions to medical college in India, including the All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS, and Jawaharlal Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research, that is JIPMER, which until then conducted a separate entrance for medical examinations. The undergraduate NEET replaced the All India Pre-Medical Test, that is AIPMT, and all individual MBBS exams conducted by states and colleges themselves until 2013. Now, the undergraduate NEET is a single entrance test for admissions to MBBS and BDS seats across India. The undergraduate NEET was conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, in partnership with Prometric Testing Private Limited, headquartered in the United States of America. The undergraduate NEET for MBBS and BDS course is currently conducted by the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, which provides the results to Director General of Health Services at the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. NEET is an entrance examination in India for the students who wish to study undergraduate medical course, that is MBBS, and dental courses, that is BDS, and postgraduate in government and private medical and dental colleges in India. NEET was developed and administered by Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, from 2013 to 2018, and presently from 2019 conducting by National Testing Agency once in a year in all across India. The knowledge of skill set is tested on the NEET examination. The subjects are biology, chemistry, and physics. The syllabus for NEET undergraduate examination is biology, physics, and chemistry studied in class 11th and 12th, or first PUC and second PUC. The total questions in question paper of NEET examination is 180, and the time is allocated is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. That means students will get 1 minute to solve the each questions. And if 90 questions are asked from biology, then 45 questions will be asked in each of physics and chemistry subjects in NEET undergraduate examination. The score range will be from minus 182 plus 720 marks. If each correct answer gains 4 marks, then each wrong answer loses 1 mark. That is 4 marks for correct answer and 1 negative mark for wrong answer. The NEET exam available in English and Hindi and also available in Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Bengali, Gujarati, Oriya, Assami, Marathi and Urdu languages. The total applications in 2020 examinations is received 14 lakhs and seats available for government and private colleges was 66,000. So the competition level for NEET examination for 2021 is for 23 students, one will be get selected for MBBS and BDS. Though a student is academically very good at subjects of biology, chemistry, physics, still a coaching will stand as your personal guide for NEET examinations because coaching will comprises the exam syllabus. To join the best coaching center and crack the exams, contact 8095814746 and please never forget to subscribe to know the syllabus and timetable for upcoming videos and also comment on the below if anybody having any questions to solve them and click on the bell button for latest upcoming news about NEET examination. So that's it for the video guys. So stay at home, stay safe. Thank you guys.